So this is going to be mostly review these laws, but then obviously what's going to happen is now they're going to take these and they're going to make harder problems is all that they do. So you're going to take what you already know about the laws of exponents and then you're going to have some more difficulty. So there's three laws that you have to learn. The first one is the product of powers. So the product of powers. So if you have two bases and you're multiplying them to different powers, when you're multiplying exponents, when you're multiplying them, you add the exponents. So for example, Maggie, give me pick up some real numbers. So x to the what? X cubed times x what? To the 7th power. Is going to be x to the 10th power. I'm going to add those exponents. So if I have a common base, and I'm multiplying those powers, I'm going to add the exponents and get x to the 10th. And this is called the product, in case you see this in your directions so you know what they're talking about. This is the product of powers, okay? That's what this is called. We're multiplying two different powers. The product of powers, we add the exponents. Okay? Let's see. Let's go to the next page. So that's that one. All right. And then we have AB to the M equals A to the M, B to the M. This is called the power of products. Okay? Notice the power of a product. We're multiplying two things in here and we're raising it to a power. We're raising the whole product to a power. So that means that everything, all of the factors inside are going to get raised to that power. Okay? So Eugen, we're going to pick some real numbers. Give me some real numbers. These make them up. 2x, good. And then pick a power. What do you want to raise it to? 4. 2x to the 4th power means that you're going to have 2 to the 4th power multiplied by x to the 4th power. Okay? In other words, they both get raised to that power. And all the factors inside your parentheses, all of your products, and this could be more than one, by the way. This could be 6xyz squared to the 4th power. And they're all going to get that. That's going to be 6 to the 4th power, x to the 4th power, y to the 4th power. Z to the what power, Courtney Thorne? I'm sorry? Because you have 4 plus 2. Good. Good. This one up here, by the way, what is 2 to the 4th power? Claire? 16 x to the 4th. So you got, that was 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 16x to the 4th. Okay? And so I don't know which ones they give you in the book. I don't know how, you may need a calculator. For some of you may need a calculator to do 6 to the 4th. It's going to be 36 times 6 times 6. I don't know if they give you ones that big a number in the book or not. This, by the way, is called the, guys, this rule, by the way, can you hit escape for me, please? I know, this never happens to anyone but me. This is called the power of a power, okay? So if you see that in the directions, you understand what they're asking for. That's the power of a power. That's the rule. And it just means that everything inside that parentheses, the whole product, all the factors get raised to that same power. Okay? All right, and then the final rule here, A to the M to the N equals A, M, N. Okay? This is, did I mean that? I'm sorry. This is, I wrote this wrong, I'm sorry. I was going one ahead. I was looking at it. This is the power of a product. I'm sorry. This we were taking a product in a parentheses and raising it to that power. That was the power of a product. I'm sorry. And then this one is a power of a power. Notice you have a power and you're raising it to another power. And when you take a power and you raise it to another power, you multiply the exponents. So Michael Moody, give me an example here. 2 to what power? 2 to the 5th power, and you're going to raise that to what power? 6. And what's that going to be? 2 to the 30th power. And you definitely would need your calculator to do that, because I don't think you can do that in your head. And I don't think they'll give you ones like that in the book, but that's fine. It's not important that you know how to do this out, because I know you can do this with a calculator. The important part is you know that it's 5 times 6.
Wait, can you please go up? Wait. Can you please go up? Keep going. Yeah, right there. Wouldn't it be z to the 8th? Z to the 6th?
Huh?
Wouldn't it be z to the 8th? Yes.
Z squared. Oh, did I write this? Yes. I'm sorry. Look, you got z squared.
Just kidding. No.
Z squared to the 4th power, you multiply the exponents.
Yeah.
Yes. That was z to the 8th. Okay. Does anybody have any questions on these rules? Okay. So let's see what they have to offer on these worksheets.
Oh boy.
So I'm on page, it says page 55 on mine, guys. So we'll go around the room here. Sam, we're on the worksheets. We're not in the book, guys. We're on the worksheets, the study guide, page 55 at the bottom, 4.2. I'm just going to call people at random. Sam, number 1.
Number 1?
Yes.
A6.
A to the 6th power. Who agrees? Raise your hand. Okay, good. A to the 6th.
Yeah.
Number 2, Crystal. C to the 6th. Who agrees? Good. That's correct. Bethany, number 3. A to the 9th. Good.
Ruh-roh.
Okay. Maggie, number 4.
So that would mean the inside is squared, right?
For-
Multiplied.
To what?
8.
C to the 8th. Good. Morgan, number 5. Yes. M to the 4th, N to the 8th. Austin Farrell, number 6. Yes. Very good. Jared, number 7.
And x to the 5th.
10x to the 5th. Good. Courtney Hellman, number 8. Part of the 13th. Good. Let's see. Sun Young, number 9.
X 10.
I'm sorry.
X 10.
X to the 10th.
Positive X 10.
What's that?
Positive X 10.
Negative x to the 10th, right? Multiply those.
Oh, I think so.
You don't think so? You have a negative x, and you're multiplying your exponents, right? So you're saying that this simplifies down afterwards. X to the 10th. Do you see how you use the same base? And then, why is it positive?
Because this is
Even number for your exponent. Does everybody see that? It's an even number. What if it was negative x to the 7th? What would it be?
negative.
Because it's an odd number, right? Okay. What number am I
So
on?
answer is positive.
10 x to the 10th. That's what you said, right? Okay. Number 12, Courtney Thorne.
Number 12?
Yeah,
We were just on 9.
I know, but we don't need to beat a dead horse. We all know how to do that. Okay.
Negative 12 times m to the 4.
Good. Oh, let's see. KJ, number 14. Close? What do you got? I gotta be able to, minus what? Well, let's do the numbers first. What's negative 3 times 4? Negative 12. R to the what? The 6th. S to the what? 6. Good. Okay. Turn to the back page. There's 56 at the bottom. Kayla. It's number 15 on your sheet. 2 what? 2 to the 3rd power, 2 cubed. T to the 15th. What is 2 cubed? 8 T to the 15th. Let's see. 3. This is number 17. 3xy squared z to the 2nd power. Maggie. Everything in here is going to get raised to that power. 9.
X.
Good. All right, how about this one? Let's see. Negative z to the 4th. Negative z squared. I'll put little things in there. Claire.
Z to the 8.
Z to the what?
Aren't you multiplying?
No, you multiply 2 things, you add the exponents.
Then I'm conscious.
Well, put to the 1. So this is z.
Okay, that
Okay. Z to the 6.
So you only multiply if the quantity has an exponent?
I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Well, you always multiply, but when it's 1, it's sort of understood. It stays the same because it's times 1. So you're technically multiplying this by 1 and that by 1 and then adding them. But
Okay, good.
okay.
Good question, Courtney.
let's see. Oh, here's a good one. Michael Moody, let's see. I think it's number 23 on your sheets. Minus t cubed minus t to the fourth minus t squared. Michael Moody. I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Okay, how'd you get that?
No way, sorry. That 1,000.
What's the first thing you right? What's the first thing you got to do here? Here's mine. Guys, this one's a tricky. You better be watching on this one.
Positive t to the left.
So what's this one here? Because you got to do your exponent first.
Positive t.
That's just t, right?
Positive.
How is that just
Negative t times negative t is t squared. All right. Now what, Michael?
Okay, the first two quantities are positive t and 7.
Okay.
I have a question. In that, like, when we are doing these, do we have to simple it out? Like, if there's a number to the power, do we have to, like, simple it out to that not be the power? Can we leave it as a power?
It depends on what it is. Like
No,
this.
if it's like 2 to the third, c to the sixth, d to the sixth, can we leave it like that, or do we have to make t 2 to the third, like, whatever, 8?
You have to make it as simple as you can.
Okay.
So some things you can combine and some things you can't, depending on if there's like terms.
It's just something.
Does everybody have any question on how? Does anyone have a question on how I got the t to the 9th here?
I question it. I'm confused.
Okay.
It's like there's 3, 4, and 2. Like, how'd you get
I
the 9?
add the exponents. I multiply
Oh,
them.
you're adding them.
I'm adding
How'd
them.
you get,
I got it now.
positive t and negative t?
Negative t, negative t, positive
Dang, it's so. Okay.
Okay. That's why we're doing them. Some of these, especially with the negatives, can get difficult, guys. So that's why I'm going over these.
I'm scared.
All right. Let's see. Well, how about 2r squared cubed 3r squared. Okay, Bethany. Oh, for goodness sakes.
Why don't you just do it so it's not...
Well, I don't know if that's what it is.
It doesn't help.
Okay. That's all right. All right, shh. Guys. 8 r to the 6th times 3r squared well, you got to do the exponents first. So what's 3 squared? 3 squared is what? 9. Okay. What's 9 times 8?
72.
Yeah, Bethany. What's r to the 6th multiplied by r squared? Shh, guys, please. Go ahead, I'm sorry. When we multiply exponents, we add the exponents. R to the 8th. All right, let's make a y to the 4th. A squared, b squared, 3a cubed minus 4a squared minus 2a plus 3. Morgan. To what? The 5th. Guys, I can't hear her. Go ahead. A to the what? 1 and 2. Does everybody see that? Okay. Everyone have the homework written down? You have 1 minute to pack up.
Wait, why is A second? Why is? Because there's no. Never mind.
Have a good weekend.